There are many steps taken to ensure the quality and safety of milk. The first step is to ensure the health status of the cow. Subsequently, we have to follow protocols to make sure the cows are clean and milked properly. The milk is then cooled as quickly as possible and transported to a processing facility. At this point, the milk is tested for antibiotics. Once it's determined the milk has no antibiotics present, it is then pasteurized. After pasteurization, we cool the milk down and maintain it at cold temperatures until it is consumed.